Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will go through filter, sum and subtotal in Excel. So filter, as you are aware, you can do Ctrl Shift L from your keyboard and you can get the filter option like this drop down menu. And second way is to go to data menu and then you can select the filter. Okay. Now for the sum, let's calculate the total sum. Here we have set up data as work from office, department, name, site and sales. Work from office, like for certain days we do from office, the various department, and the site new or old, and the sales for that site. To calculate the total sum, equal to sum in bracket total sales, you will select the entire range and then we will be getting total sales. But what if I filter data as per the new site? Is there change to the sales amount? Total sales? No. Let's see. New sales amount is still same. Total sale is 4109. But what if I want to see sale only for the selected value, like which I had filtered? For that, we will go with option called as equal to subtotal. When we write subtotal, we will be getting various options like average, count, min, sum and so on. And then you can go with, we explore various options. Let's go with option number 9, sum, comma, and select the range. Okay, enter. Now you can see subtotal as 4109. If I change site as new, subtotal is 42433. If we select this range, you're getting sum of 2433. From this new site, I want to see department, like from calling department, how many sales. From calling department, sales amount is 914 and we can see same amount here. In this way, we can calculate data using subtotal. Thank you for watching.